So today I serviced a Viessmann CVA-100 indirect water heater that I had installed about 7 years ago. Hadn't been serviced. I was a little nervous, but surprisingly wasn't that bad. Started by isolating the potable water, the recirc pump, and de-energizing the boiler. Following that, I drained the system down using a transfer pump, since 80 gallons takes quite a while. And from there, there's the Viessmann CVA has actually two access ports, one on top, one on bottom, which I'm removing here. And the top port also has the sacrificial anode, which you can see there. And we did replace because it was in a bit of rough shape. Ooh, steamy. From there, we removed all the large chunks of calcium and debris from the bottom of the tank using a vacuum and some rags. After that, we flushed the system with a descaler called Flow-aide. I did dilute it with water just so it wasn't too potent, but even then it's a non-toxic descaler, so it is safe for potable water systems. As you can see here, we're flushing the walls and heat exchanger, ensuring that any of that calcium is being removed. Following that, we did flush very thoroughly with potable water because you do want to make sure that there's none of this descaler left over in the tank. We did a very thorough flush with potable water for quite a while. As you can see here, this is what that dissolved calcium looks like. After this, we buttoned everything back up and got the unit running again. And this service was about 3.5 hours, and it'll add a number of years to the life of the tank as well as save the customer some money in the long run. We hope you liked the video. Give us a like and follow for more. Thanks.